southwestern Louisiana until 10:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 9:28 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line from O'Raheflin to 9 miles northeast of Stonewall, or along a line from 11 miles south of Minden to 12 miles southeast of Shreveport, moving southeast at 10 miles per hour. Hazard, $half-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include Shreveport, Ringgold, Sibley, Dorleen, Heflin, Jamestown, Lake Vestino South, Plum Orchard Landing, Lake Vestino North, Curtis, Huron, Knowles Landing, Moonach, McDade, Ogden, Elm Grove, Caspiana, Taylortown, Robson, and Sales. Seek shelter inside a well-built structure and stay away from windows. These storms are capable of producing large hail. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 10:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following parishes in Louisiana: Bienville,